Alright, so we got the new company was it? MotoDynamic blinkers. They come with the resistor for it and tail lights. Also comes with the resistor. Just gotta hook up my battery. Yeah, good, alright. So, stock, that's regular brake, turn signal, that's the turn signal while braking, still stays. Have these, nothing special. In case you're wondering how the wiring is going, yeah, excuse my wiring because it's all, someone decided to chew it up, as you can see, so I had to repair it. But you go, these two wires go into the main housing, so it goes in one way, and this connects to your resistor. And I mean, it's pretty much all straightforward. And that's your wiring right there. So your blue and black go to that one. And your yellow and black go to the green and black. Oh, brown. It's brown. And I guess these two aren't used anymore since it's a eliminator kit. This is the same thing. And those just sit nicely. And there we go.